Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about Algorand, just the local and the middle term targets updates. Let's dive in. Guys, my plan for Algorand personally, for me, still relevant. I still think that Algo can hit and most likely will hit around $1.10 and $1.25. So this is what's the monthly gap, what I'm waiting. And can it be the end of cycle for Algorand? Of course it can. I'm ready for this one because of that gap, that target, like 50% of this move. I mark around here. I track the Algo since that Zone 22, right? And I'm not expecting, so we dump under the COVID dump low. We leave the sell side liquidity. We bounce it. This is the COVID historical low. So the chart, so I track the Algo long term periods. Technically, we already tested the 50% of the monthly gap like support. So here, magic, right? So we got a top, we got a bottom, perfect touch of 0.5 low by Fib. Sometimes it's looks like a magic, but it's not a magic. It's just a basic algorithm. And what we can see now, next one. Yes, we can see the correction even to 1928, 61 low by Fib of this gap, or even the full fill, 1373, or even the drop and form another historical low. Is it possible? Yes, of course. Is it necessary so we should drop that low? I don't think so. Technically, the correction can be added, right? And you remember, let's go to daily time frame. You remember I made a post around here at the top. I'm out of Algo and I bought it back here. And yes, I could buy like 40% more tokens if I could wait to the bottom. But at this moment, at current moment when we pump, I'm out and drop. I'm join back Algo, but with the same amount of Algo, I'm not adding more. I'm not invest more in Algo. I fix the same amount of tokens, but I just fix a profit. But at that moment, I can't know what will happen next. That's why I bought it back. And of course, I think about we can drop lower, and I mark about this one in Telegram channel, so we can drop to 25 cents. We dump it even lower to 20 cents. But guys, and now we talk after the fact. So it's easy to talk after the fact, but in the moment, so I made a decision, I'm out, and I'm in back. So I took a profit. So congrats if you took a profit and buy back more Algo, or just get a profit. Pretty good one. So my entry, like you remember, it's around 17.30 or 18 cents for Algo. Yes, I could fix a big profit, and only now buying back. But guys, in the moment, I couldn't predict, so we dump so low. Everybody talks so bullish about Trump and all of that stuff, but guys, it's good lesson for us, so we have to just take responsibility on our action, not based on the rumors or some facts or some media. So we have to follow the trading plan. So imagine the moment when you just cut off all your news public, right? When just log out from Twitter and just look on the chart. So when you look at 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, 5 weekly up from 10 cents to 60, so 500%, 600% profit, it's good time to fix profit, at least with raw initial deposit. That's why, guys, sometimes we need to reduce our expectations. And a lot of people now still think we can go higher to new all-time high. Is it possible? Yes. But the geopolitics, the macro in the world, the situation around the crypto space now, no new narratives give me the confident about maybe if till end of April and the May, we will see $1.10, $1.25. It can be the top for this run for Algorand. Of course, I wish to see the higher price targets. I wish to see the sweep of this high like $2.98. Of course, I wish to see. That's why maybe my plan will be at this point, if only the if, because we always get that if we hit that target, I will fix 50% of my algo position for sure, and maybe leave some tokens for potential this sweep. Will we regret if we will go higher? Basically not, and most likely not, because in this moment I can't even know the future. That's why most likely I will fix a 50% here, maybe 100%. Depends of sentiment on the market, depends of upcoming news, what they deliver for us about a macro. Because now I can't say we're in a good macro situation in the world, but I think in the media and the next 3 months, the world a little bit calm down. I think we will see some positive around. Maybe it's going to be the fake positive, but at least I think we will see one more leg up on a BTC, and I don't think so that 110 it's the top of the top, because if you open the Binance BTC USDT on the futures, it sounds weird, but we stop it exactly at 110 round number. So we mostly never stop at a round number, and usually we come back and sweep that top again. So the plan for Algo is still relevant, nothing changed. I'm still waiting. So why I should out of Algo now if I hold the Algo all the same period and accumulate it? So I wait just my target, because this is like investment target. The positive case scenario, of course, if we will, just like in theory, hypothetical trend line, move like this one. So we build a structure. So high and high lows. So that's it. Take a look with my customer Krasa, what's going on now with the Algo. So let's go to the weekly. So this time period, it was a time to out of Algo to fix some profit. Now the market came down and we dump it from 61 cents to 20 cents, and we came into the middle line again, to middle zone. And yes, we can drop and sweep the historical low, but I don't see any reason why we should. Here, accumulation, we're in the middle. So this is not a distribution, definitely not a distribution. So this was a distribution. This is how on the master time frame, this is how the distribution looks like, how the end of cycle looks like. So you have to understand it. Is it possible to see the red candle down? Yes, easily, guys. We can't know the future easily, so you have to be ready. If you're not ready, just reduce the size. Reduce your expectation and reduce the size of your money where you invest. It will help you a lot. So it's not always about the charts, guys. So let's be real. But can we see the green dildo, to, I don't know, over the 79 cents and 1, 2, 3 candles up, like a green one? So if we, like invert scale here, this looks bearish or bullish? For me, it's like bearish one. So I don't see any reason why we should pump. So if it's an inverse scale, so we leave a liquidity, we sweep that liquidity here. Liquidity, leave it in zone 20, and after that we'll sweep that liquidity after 3 years. So what's the point to pump again? That's why we can dump to this pool gap and maybe 50% of this one. So maybe when and if we will be at 2.54, sweep this high, everybody starts screaming about the new all-time high again, but maybe it's going to be just a trap. So that's why, guys, for me, better, of course, the fix the conservative price targets and the fix the profit than talking in useless tokens. Yes, it's not a shame to call that useless tokens, because we already talked about it. What's the point of that fundamental of the tokens if the chart speak themselves? So imagine what the point of the so super touch utility of the Algorand if the token dump and sweep the historical all-time low. So fundamental didn't change. The utility of the Algorand didn't change. So the idea, the purpose, the speed of transaction, the scale, right, didn't change. But investors lose the money because no matter what they're working on, right? We are here for the touch. So if I want to use just Algo for transactions, I don't need it because I can use just the basic fiat money, right? Because with the fiat money, it's stable. I will not lose my dollars, right? And that people who call it like the dollars lose the value. Guys, what value are you talking about? So you buying here at €2.50 and the coin dump it to 10 cents. So it's the value dump it's much more than dollar value. 2,000% gains, 2,000% down Algo. If you use the value Algo for some purchases, right? So the people blame the USD, but they not blame the tokens when the tokens lose the purchase value also. That's why, guys, at the end, anyway, we will out in the cash. In cash, what we can use in real life. Bake it one-to-one, USDT or USDC, whatever. So don't fall in love in all of that touch stories about it, projects. So can we drop lower and form the bigger the currency? Yes. It's going to be just a massacre, unfortunately, if we will imagine the drop and form the currency on the monthly time frame on ADZ. This is disbelief on market mood. So this is definitely not a time to sell. So technically, risk reward, if you will hold it, I think much better if you will sell it now and trying to buy back more on the next dip. So this is my take, guys. We're in that point of the market where we need to just take a pause, just close the charts and just wait, add notification and just wait. We go through so hard times, this one. So I hope we will see the green months. If not, we'll lose nothing. We just waste the time, but we'll lose nothing. So this is money inflow. Now we're at the top, but without a money outflow. So let's add alert to the money outflow here on the monthly. So yes, it's like more like reflection, but guys, all targets relevant. So this was a buy signal. This is a recommendation close position, but there is no sell on the monthly. On the weekly, it was a buy, sell, no buyback. But technically, here was also the money outflow. That's why I'm out of Algo. But there is no new sell. That's why it would be good to see this pump, sell, and like this one. Maybe higher. I can't know. Take a look take profit, guys. Though this is the last one. What I don't like we didn't test the buy line. This is kind of scary, yes, definitely. And if we will drop to the buy line on weekly time frame to 12 cents 37, it will be pretty bad. For me especially, because I wasted the time again. Of course, I took a profit, some profit, but it's not that profit what could be. Algo on the daily, here was out because we trade way over exit line and we come back to the buy line. And the people here won't believe, so we will drop to the buy line, but we dump it. That's why, yes, it's like a impulse, correction impulse. Let's check even by FIB. So here we tested a buy 50% of the range between the buy line and the fundamental value, tested a buy line. So what next? We can drop to the 15 cents 82 to the fundamental value again. We can test at the buy line 21.29, but I don't see any reason. I think we will see the pump again and break of structure. If we use, take a look, the FIB, just the basic FIB. So impulse, correction, impulse. So take a look. This is the lowest point. This is the top, right? So we touch at the 78 level by FIB. So it's not a magic. So this is the lowest point, beginning of the impulse, top. We can delete this one. It's basically useless. Here's a pump, drop, rejection, drop. And why we should drop again? Just because we can. Yes, it sounds weird, but just because the market makers and the big funds can press sell more, and we can't know their plan. We can't know, no matter what technically we see on the chart, but at least we can work with the zones. And this zone was a good time to buy back. We got a logic, so we trade in accumulation zone again. So we trade at the beginning of March by seasonality. We trade at a buy line on 12 time frame and a daily time frame. And we got a signals to close position, because on 12 time frame, if you open the trade on here, it was a sell, close all short position, buy back, recommendation close position, buy. So we get a logical reason to buy now with potential dump again to 17 cents 68, but at least now it's much better zone to buy Algo, for example, at 25 and 17 to build the average entry like 20 cents than it was here. And the target will be here 70, 54, 75, 11, 92, 80. Around $1, when Algo will be around $1, you will see the headlines in media, in the chat. So we go into $5 confirm it, $10 confirm it, I don't know, even the $50 confirm it for Algo, because it's a future. So guys, don't be trapped. Better fix the 500% profit than stuck in talking again. So now it's only up to your own risk, right? To buy now or not. Still okay risk to buy. All targets, guy, I explained to you all idea, thoughts. I explained to you. Write us in comment what do you think about Algorand, and what is your plan for this asset? What is your plan for BTC for the next few months? If you would like to trade with my customer side, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, change his like button, his notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.